Hi, I'm Dr. Dabbs. Today we're talking about regenerative care. It's a pretty new field and it's incredible results with it. So let's take a knee joint, for example. A lot of people have knee problems. They may get knee surgery, knee replacements, and really it's something that can be pushed off or never have to happen if you take care of your knees. And we can, I've done it for years with chiropractic physical therapy, but there's a new thing called regenerative care. And you add that into the mixture and you get huge success with it. So a knee is supposed to be a brand new knee, it's supposed to move nicely, nice, clear joints with the cartilage in there and ligaments and then the muscles over top. So what happens? Well, life happens, right? You sit in a chair and your knees are a 90-degree angle for the rest of your life and you never really push it beyond that. The knee degenerates. So that's how this knee is supposed to look back here with the cartilage, like this. But what happens with, over time, it degenerates and all the cartilage starts to wear away and now it's inflamed. Now you can't bend it as much, it's weak, it just is really bad. So what we do is basically do rehab to try and fix it, but we really need something else to get that cartilage to build. So that's where regenerative care comes in. Mesenchymal stem cells and exosomes, what they do is they find the part that's inflamed. It's gonna go right to the inflamed spot, which will be right in the joint and become whatever it was before it broke down. Cartilage, muscle, ligaments, all the stuff will start to grow and heal. So it's a much better way of fixing things than just putting a new joint in there, which can cause a lot of issues down the road. So that's why I like regenerative care therapy. And it's phenomenal and it works extremely well. It takes just one shot to do it, sometimes two, but mostly one. And you're feeling a whole lot better. So in about 6 to 8 weeks. If you have more comments or questions, please leave below. I do it in my office here in Columbia, Maryland, at Rehab Center in Maryland. So please leave a message below. And if you want to come in and have a look at what we do, please come on in.